Good evening and welcome, viewers. There have been some very swift and dramatic developments in the case of the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-manager Disha Salian. Ladies and gentlemen, I always believe and I always say the truth has a way of coming out. It can never be buried. And there are people who conspire to keep the truth away. And there are some like us who keep digging, who keep trying, who never give up hope. And so many of you write to me saying, what happened to the SSR case? What happened to the Disha Salian case? Arnab, have you forgotten it? No, I haven't forgotten it. There are people who want us to forget it, but we won't. 3.5 years ago, ladies and gentlemen, a 28-year-old Disha Salian went to a party at a suburb in Mumbai. She never got back home. As per the version of the father who has spoken today, the family was first told that this was an accident, that somehow Disha fell from the 12th floor of this party and died. Then the family was told it was suicide, that Disha jumped to her death and killed herself. This was a theory that Parambir went on record about and said that this is the way things actually played out. And then there was pressure put on the media that how can you ask questions about how Disha died? This is a media trial. Well, viewers, I very fundamentally want to address this question tonight. What is a media trial? What is not? Is it not true that there are certain friends of Sushant Singh Rajput who had said that he was very, very disturbed about the circumstances of Disha Salian's mysterious death? That he was trying to find out about it? Should we bury all of this too? Because it is uncomfortable for certain people, wherever they are sitting tonight, in Mumbai or elsewhere. How much, ladies and gentlemen, can be covered up? I know you believe that the SSR truth has not come out, and I too believe so. But how did 28-year-old Disha die? How can we cover up this matter? Who was present there? Who are the people who were present but are denying they were present? Why, if they have no role in her death, are they denying that they were ever present there? Should these people not be investigated? Should these people get away? Should this also be one of those cases where the truth never comes out and time passes and we never know what really were the circumstances in which an innocent Disha Salian died? And now the family is being told that Disha may have been murdered. As per what the BJP members have come on record and are saying, and what the petitioners are saying in court, is that there were some very high-profile individuals who were part of that party, that mysterious party that Disha attended. There may have been those from politics as well as from Bollywood, neither of which has been confirmed. But what the Eknath Shinde government has done is put into motion a special investigation team which will get to the bottom of how Disha Salian died just days before Sushant died. Are the two deaths linked? Which are those mysterious circumstances, to say the least, which led to those two deaths? Some people are running about saying that the CBI has filed a closure report in the SSR case and the Disha case. That, viewers, is a lie. The CBI has not even investigated the Disha death separately or even filed an independent FIR in the matter. So as of tonight, the Maharashtra government can fully well go on and determine what Disha Salian died of, who was there at the party, who Disha's last calls were to, and whether the CCTV footage of the premises was deleted. If so, why? Because this whole case, which the then Mumbai Police Commissioner was rushing to declare as a suicide, and now questions of whether it was murder are completely unanswered. I believe, viewers, there must be justice for Disha. And I also believe, and let me tell you what my gut feel is, I also believe, and I know that you trust my word on this, I also believe that if you want to know how Sushant Singh Rajput died, you will first have to know how Disha Salian died. Now, the people who don't want us to know the truth about SSR have been desperately trying to cover up the Disha Salian case. My advice, most unsolicited, I'm sure, to the Eknath Shinde government is to not use this as a lever, to go all out. We, the people of India, need to know how SSR died and how the Disha Salian case, if that was a murder, is linked to the SSR case. There can be no closure till we know the truth about both. Threats be damned. We need to know the truth. Good evening and welcome, viewers. There have been some very swift and dramatic developments.